everyone, and welcome back to our next video series in using Google Docs in the classroom or with a business or with your colleagues. So here we are. Now, we talked last time about accessing Google Docs, and remember we can access it through the waffle icon right here through Google Docs or through Google Drive. So let's go into the Google Docs main page, and here we can now create a brand new blank document, or we can have, there's a lot of cool templates, and which is really kind of nice. And we can go to the template gallery. You can see education. They have a lot of great ones like essays and reports. All right, which is really kind of nice. And you could add on, and you can sort of do some nice stuff with that. Class notes, which is really kind of neat. Lesson plan is always fun. Letters, right? Now for more business, resumes, which is really kind of neat. Personal aspects for work now, a project proposal, more of the business aspects, meeting notes, brochures, newsletters, which is really kind of nice. Now, if I click on newsletter, it's actually going to open up the template. And again, you can now change it, and you can change the images you want on this, but it gives it a nice little feel. And now you already have a little way to kind of build a clean, smart, professional newsletter. All right. Okay. Let me go back to the Docs homepage. Okay. So let's just do a blank document. All right. So I'm going to create a blank document, and that's where we would begin. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is you need to name it, because the default for any Google Doc is an untitled document. And if I go back into my drive, I have probably like 10 or 20 untitled documents because I'm always making videos for examples, and I don't go back and erase them. So you click on it, and now you can just give it a name. I'm just going to call it test doc. Okay, great. So there it is. It's already saving, and it's already saved. So that's an important thing about Google Docs, is that it saves automatically. You don't have to go back in and press save, and it tells you when all changes are saved in your Google Drive, which is really kind of nice. All right, you click on that, it actually gives you the version history, but we'll get into that later, which is really kind of nice. Okay, so that's the simple way of naming it. Now, I can go into my drive, and again, I can go to New, and I can go to Google Docs, and I can just press Google Doc. And again, the same thing happens. A new tab opens up, and now I gotta name it, something. I can call it Test Doc 2. Okay, now, great. Now, one quick little thing while I'm here, and we'll talk about the menu momentarily in another video, but maybe you wanted to actually make a copy of this document, and maybe you wanted to keep one as the way it is, and then maybe make some additional changes, but you wanted another copy. Now, if you're used to using like Microsoft Word, you always use that save as, and when you do the save as, you can rename it something else. Well, to have that save as feature here in a Google Doc, it's a little bit different. You go to the file, and you go make a copy. Okay, so if I go to make a copy, now it has copy of test doc 2. Maybe I just want to rename it test doc 2 version 2, right? And then you could then select where you want to put it, which we'll get to later, and I can go okay. And now I have the same document that was here, but I have another version of it that maybe I want to make some different changes to, which won't affect the original version. Okay, just a simple little tip that you might want to have in order to navigate and organize this better for yourselves. Okay, so that's how you create a document, and that's how you name a Google Doc. All right, have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.